A very good morning to all my dear students. We are continuing our MS Access class. In the previous slide, I have shown you how to go with the MS Access table. That class was taken through Gmeet, but most of the children were not present. So I have sent my slides to you. Continuing with the same thing, now I can show you here how to edit fields in a table. Fields is just like the heading which you have given for your table. Suppose first name, last name. Here the red color is telling you the field name to be changed. So steps are very easy. You have to click right mouse button on that particular field, and the blue color or the highlighted part will tell you to enter the new field name. So in this way we can change the field name after making any table under the database. So here only the steps you have to see, and the extract I have taken from your textbook only. And when we will come to our lab, I will show you all the steps. Next, moving to the next one, the same thing. After deleting or renaming, you can add any of the field. You must be thinking that after giving 1, 2, 3 columns, suppose first name, last name and address, I want to write some other field. So there is no problem. You just right click on that particular field and press insert option. So the insert option will again tell you that where you want to insert, left or right. So after choosing, that column will be inserted and you can carry on your work. At the same time, you may not require the field which is not relevant to you. You can delete it. Option is same. You have to select the field first and then choose delete field from the drop down menu. As you can see, the steps are shown here. Next, how to sort records when the tables are made by you. Sorting means what? Arranging data in alphabetical order. It could be ascending or descending. It happens that when the class teacher is maintaining your name in the register, the name starts from A to B, okay, or Z to A. It depends upon the user that how you are going to sort it. But it is a very interesting step that when you are sorting anything, all the records will also move with the recorded one. It is not like that the name field is sorting and the remaining is left. No, the whole record will move to make our table accurate. Now the next step, what is shown in your book, it is your filtering data. Now what is the meaning of filter? Just like in a real life we are using filter paper or to strain this tea, we are using the tools there. Similarly here filter data means among the table, if I wanted to see only those children who got marks more than 90 or more than 50, that is called filtration. Means from the 100 or 200 or 50 records, you can get the relevant data as per the criteria selected by you. So here it is mentioned the step, the criteria is equal to Bharatnatyam. It means this table is having the information regarding dancers where the dancers of Bharatnatyam will be displayed. All the tables depends upon the user who are using it for their purpose. So next the filtering step is again continued. You can see access display on the record. Green color is showing, otherwise the orange one is the filter words appears in this area, and these are the option when you start recording your filter. This is MS Access is providing you all these steps. So you may feel it different because the different children who are using laptop or desktop, they must be having MS Access, and all these things steps are available, but different versions are showing you different features. So today I am just covering the steps for filtering, renaming, deleting, adding and sorting the tables. So in the today's Google Classroom, I am going to upload this, and I will update my class, and I will update you also that when you have to access your Google Classroom. Your Google Classroom is again a maintaining database. The children who are entering from their IDs, the record is again coming to me. I will come to know that how many children are entering my Google Classroom, and that format will also I'll show you. Thank you for today's class. Have a nice day.